Hey guys, welcome back to the KOZIAR Performance Tuning YouTube channel. My name is James, and in this episode we're going to continue with the chassis tear down and strip. So basically remove the suspension, exhaust, and any other additional thing that can be removed from the frame without drilling out rivets and such. So stay tuned. Head on over to the Teespring store to pick up some old blue build series merch, and just be aware that within the next couple of videos we're actually going to introduce another build, so be on the lookout for that. And once we introduce that new build, we'll start producing merchandise for that build. So the old blue series merch will not be around for much longer until we continue that project. So again, head on over to Teespring, pick up some old blue merch, and get it while you can. And then get ready for, within the next couple videos, introducing the next build. I'm going to start by pressure washing the frame down and all the other parts so that it's a little bit cleaner to work with and also easier to access the hardware. Now, after a bit of hose down and soak, and then more hose down and soak, did this for a couple hours, and basically was able to get as much as I could off of the frame and all the other parts. So then it's moved into the shop again and thrown on the lift so we can start taking parts off.
Letting go, yeah, it isn't easy. Two hearts slowly breaking. Living the highs and lows, I'm keeping busy. Don't know if we're worth saving. Are we meant to be, or are we second guessing? Would you stay with me if the world was ending? It's getting late, you stay with me if the world was ending? Are we meant to be, or are we second guessing? Would you stay with me if the world was ending?
Alright, so we're going to start by removing the front brakes and just working our way in through the parts that are attached to the chassis. I mean frame. The parts that are attached to the frame. Hey guys, real quick, I was gonna ask if you could please consider following us on Facebook. Go over to our Instagram feed and follow that. Check out our Twitter feed as well, as stuff gets posted there before each video release. Definitely please check those out, give us a follow. All right guys, we're gonna go ahead and end the video there. We've got the front end completely disassembled, just a couple little parts left there, and now we have basically the rest of the frame to remove parts off of. So we will continue that on the next episode, and might get into a little bit of what the future goals are for this truck and plans for the engine as well as the chassis, etc. So again, please like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned. Hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on any future content. And again, a big huge thanks for stopping by and checking us out, and we will see you on the next one.